I've heard a couple people today say that they're in town for that concert. I didn't realize he was that big. I didn't know. Alrighty. A little bump in the chair. We're not going anywhere just yet.
This is the best part of your job, getting to ride this?
One of them, yeah. I got all sorts of cool parts about my job, though. Get to do via ferrata and zip lines on the other side. Get to do this, the high ropes course.
So that camera is recording your faces and voices. Any funny face you might make, we're going to capture that for you. Is there anything you wanted to get for your camera?
All set up.
Let's do it.
Woohoo!
Here we go.
Oh yeah. That was a good swing.
My wife had one look at this, was not going to ride this.
What's there fun to do out in the Boston area?
We have all the history stuff out there, which is, you know, Freedom Trail, a lot of stuff to do on the water, a lot of sports. Definitely don't have mountains this big out that way.
No, these are pretty big. Whee!
What'd you think?
Awesome.
Still good? Is it better the first time or the second time?
Like to equally.
My.
Some people think that they have too many jitters the first time and they can't really see all the view, and then the second time they get to see it all.
I'm not really freaked out by heights, so.
Well, the other half are saying, I'm not even scared the second time, what's the point of even riding, all that good stuff.
Just because you're not afraid of heights doesn't mean you don't enjoy being thrown down in a canyon.
That's what I'm saying. I've done it hundreds of times and still love it. Whee! Zoom.
Don't reach for me, okay?
I'll pull you right off that thing.
Here. How's your arm feeling?
Good. I'm just wearing the brace still just so I don't mess it up at work.
Yeah. You didn't re-injure it on your other motocross trip, did you?
No. What's nice about the dirt bike is you don't really use your wrist much.
Yeah.
It's more your elbows and your shoulders.
That's good. Watch your feet, those floors are coming back soon.
Okay.